Before formally starting with the course, I want to take a moment to tell you a bit more about myself. I'm a postgraduate in computer science. I've done MSc Honours in Computer Science from Punjab University, which is one of the top rated universities in India. I'm now running an IT solutions company by the name of Nimble Informatics Private Limited, and I've been building websites since 2007-2008. I started my web development journey with ASP.NET, which is Microsoft's platform for building websites. Over the years, after witnessing WordPress's growing popularity, I decided to add WordPress to my skill set. It's unbelievable how the skill of building websites with WordPress has helped me grow my clientele. Currently, I'm serving clients from India, US, UK, New Zealand, and Canada. Now that you've bought this course, I'm sure you want to do the same. This course will equip you with everything you need to build scalable websites from scratch. Being your trainer, I have a few expectations from you. You'll need to do a few things in order to get the maximum benefit out of this course. Firstly, you have to ensure that you watch each and every video of this course. You have to watch the complete course come what may. In the past, you must have bought other courses. You may have completed some of them, but in all probability, there may be some that you left in between. You may not even have started the course after buying it, and this is what normally happens with most people. You need to promise me that you'll not do the same with this course. You'll watch every video multiple times if required and finish the course. The second thing that you need to do is complete each and every assignment that I would be giving from time to time throughout this course. Keep in mind, you learn only by doing, not by merely watching these videos. Another important thing to keep in mind is you'll need to make small investments in various tools in order to be more productive. You'll see me making use of some premium plugins in this course, and it is not necessary to buy those all at once. As you progress in your WordPress journey, make careful investments in the tools that you really need. Don't be scared of those investments. Treat this like a business. You'll be able to make profits only if you invest properly. There's no business in the world which does not require any investment. Website development is no different. It is also important to be ethical. It's very easy to get cracked versions of these paid plugins on the internet, but please don't do that. Buy proper licenses of the plugins before using them. Cracked plugins are vulnerable to malware, and it is just not a good thing, not an ethical thing to cheat somebody and use their product in an unethical way. With that said, we are ready to kickstart our WordPress journey. I wish you all the very best.